Day 6 Kids.
Reading comprehension. Read the short story twice and answer the following questions. My storybook. My name is Yemi. My uncle gave me a storybook yesterday. There are a lot of stories in the storybook. I really like the fairy tales in it. There are many pictures in the storybook. I enjoy seeing the pictures while reading the story. I always read the story before going to sleep. I keep my book safe on the bookshelf. Now it's your time to read. Let's read. It's time to think. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Who gave Yemi the storybook? Option A, Mom. Option B, Sister. Option C, Uncle. Answer option C, Uncle. Question number 2. What did Yemi like about the book? Option A, fairy tales. Option B, cover. Option C, color. Answer option A, fairy tales. Question number 3. What did Yemi read before sleeping? Option A, storybook. Option B, novel. Option C, comic. Answer option A, storybook. Question number 4. Where did she keep her book safe? Option A, cupboard. Option B, bookshelf. Option C, drawer. Answer option B, bookshelf. Fill in the blanks. Question number 5. There are a lot of dash in the storybook. Option A, adventures. Option B, stories. Option C, pictures. Answer option B, stories. Question number 6. There are many pictures in the dash. Option A, paper. Option B, note. Option C, storybook. Answer option C, storybook. Say true or false. Question number 7. My uncle gave me a watch yesterday. Option A, true. Option B, false. Answer option B, false. Question number 8. Yemi liked the fairy tales in the storybook. Option A, true. Option B, false. Answer option A, true. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.